If you are a freelancer trying to receive payments onto your Wise account, in this video, let me show you a few things that you'll need to know. Now, most likely, if you are a freelancer, you're trying to receive payments from your clients, which may be into different currencies. The first thing you need to do is create a currency account in which you're trying to receive the payment. For example, if you receive payments on US dollar, make sure you create a US dollar account by tapping on this plus icon and then tapping on add currency. This way, from this list, you'll be able to select the US dollar option, and then your account of US dollar will be successfully created. Once you create the US dollar account, you can just tap on it and then get the US dollar account details such as the account number and the routing number. Once you do that, you can easily provide the account details to your client so that they can send over payments. What you can also do is tap on request on the top and then tap on request a payment. Tap on get started, and as we did earlier, you can choose a type of account that you're trying to receive payments onto and then provide the details again. If the other person or the client trying to receive payments also has a Wise account, you can easily provide your Wise tag, your phone number, or your email address that is linked with the Wise account. This way, you do not need to provide the account details for them to transfer the payments. So that's all there is for this video. I hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.